What's up guys, I'm Via from AppGeeker. Today I'm going to show you how to fix when your iPhone keeps restarting itself. Now the reason why your phone restarts over and over again, or it keeps rebooting and gets stuck in Apple logo every once in a while can be because the old iOS version, the crashed software, unexpected bugs, faulty SIM card, or the corrupted settings. So I'm going to give you guys a couple of solutions to get out of the constant boot loop and move past the Apple logo. And then your phone will be up and running. Let's get going. Alright, so your device shuts down and restarts on its own for no reason. Your operating software might be out of date. If your iPhone restarts randomly but it turns back on a few seconds later, update the iOS software in your phone to fix it up. Connect your device into power and make sure it has a stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, open Settings app. Scroll down to tap General. Tap Software Update. It will check for an update and a new iOS software version is available. Tap Download and Install. Enter your passcode and it will download the update and get it installed. If your phone still keeps turning off and on again after the update, or it just reboots all the time and won't stop, try doing a hard reset. No worries, no data's gonna be lost. Here we go. If you are using iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 or newer, press the volume up button, then release. Press the volume down button, then release. Then keep holding the side button. When Apple logo shows up, release the button. If you are using iPhone 7, hold down the volume down button and the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. If you are using iPhone 6s or older models, hold down the home button and the side button until you see the Apple logo. Your phone should stop restarting now. If not, maybe some unknown bugs have attacked your phone but you are not aware of this. To get rid of this situation, it matters to use a professional tool called iOS System Recovery. This tool makes it a break to find out what is causing your device to restart over and over again and remove it out of your system. During the repair process, it has offers standard mode to do the fix without wiping your data, and advanced mode to handle hardware issues like the stuck Apple logo, touch screen not responding, black screen or more. It also does a good job in clearing out the unexpected shutdown errors, the lags, to improve your device performance. The download link is in the description below, and now I will show you how it works to fix your phone that keeps turning off and restarting. Open the software on your computer and in the starting window, click More Tools. Then go ahead to click iOS System Recovery. Next, hit the Start button. Now use a USB cable to attach your iPhone to the computer. When the phone gets detected, choose Standard Mode and hit Convert button. Here you can see a list of iOS firmware. Just highlight the latest version and hit Next button to download the firmware. This may take around 15 minutes to finish, so wait patiently. Okay, now the download is complete. Click the Fix Now button and you're done. You already know that your iPhone that keeps rebooting and won't turn on could be due to a faulty SIM card. So the next step is to eject the SIM card and then put it back. Take an Apple SIM card remover tool that comes with your iPhone, or you can use a paper clip. Then gently insert it into here and push in. The SIM tray will pop up. Take it out. Then reinsert the tray and you should fix the restarting loop. Alright, your final step is to reset all the settings to deal with the corrupted system settings. Open Settings app, find and click General. Scroll all the way down to tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and then hit Reset All Settings to confirm. Take note that it will restore all the device settings to their default, like the network settings, the keyboard dictionary, location settings, and more, but the device content won't be deleted. So that's pretty much it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this, and if you have any further questions, please let us know.